Welcome to my latest listing in Kensington, Maryland. This house is stunning. 3 years old. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a completely tricked out basement. I can't wait to show you guys. Come on in. With an open floor plan, this house has the most stunning chef's kitchen. You've got a gas range, this water golf course island. The primary suite, the primary bathroom, it's like a spa. Separate glass shower, spa-like tub. Come on in. Imagine the parties you can have here. It's movie night. And then look what my client built in 2022. This amazing, stunning bar. You could have so much fun here. Can you imagine? Thanks for touring with me today. 10608 Wheatley Street in sought-after Kensington. If you've got any questions, just give me a call or text. Caryn Gardiner, 301-802-4182. It's a truly special house. You don't want to miss it. Bye!